understand my frustration, yes, Salty.
Much time as she may consume to the gentle lady from New York, Ms. Velasquez, who is a ranking member of the Small Business Committee, who's been working on the Small Business Committee
I've been working
for over
on
30
hard,
years
trying
and
to
served
you
as
gotta
the
either
chair
figure out how do we
before the
make
last
this
election,
cheap-ass
who's been
$300
fighting
HP
for small
droid do
businesses
solar
all
systems,
of her
Kelly,
career.
or 3D physics
Gentleman is
engine.
recognized. Thank you, Ms.
I could, because the chip
Speaker,
has
and,
been since that
Ranking
pixel
Member,
art game
Waters for
plenty
yielding.
capable.
I rise today
You know,
in
which
strong
axion you're
opposition
looking
to
at, the
this
overhead,
resolution.
the front,
As
the
one
way
of
the
central
pixels change
architects
for Ash
of
Ketchum
Section
there.
1071, I
Of course, the
understand
videos
better
I've been
than
putting up
most
today about
what
it.
this provision
Like,
does
it's one thing
and
to
doesn't
say,
do.
you know, oh, the program's
During my
easy when they
time
give you a
as
3D
ranking
map to
member of
start
Small
with. But if you
Business
don't have a
Committee
ball, you
and
don't
a
have any
senior
of this
member of
stuff,
the
and
Financial
you have the
Services
difference
Committee,
between that
I have
Kotlin's
seen women
differential of
and
whatever program
minority-owned
chip you're
small
about to put it
businesses
into.
struggle
It's got
to
a
access capital due to the lack of
EEPROM in there
data
somewhere
and
on that chip.
transparency related
I'm
to
just
small
not exactly
business
sure where it
lending.
is, and I'm not looking at
The
the manual.
scant data that does exist
So,
continues
in the
to
end,
show these
there are some
businesses lack
TPUs,
the
DPUs,
same
or well,
access
what is it?
to
CPU,
financing
GPU, DPU,
compared to
TPUs to
white-owned
considering
firms.
what the hell you're doing with them
Section
and why you would sell.
1071
I mean, I want a
attempts
TPU chip.
to
I mean,
remedy
technically,
this
I want a
by
QPU
requiring financial
chip.
institutions
Do you
to
have a
collect and
cooling
report
system to be able
on
to
the
handle that?
demographics
I
of
mean, do
small
you
business
understand the cooling
owners
system?
applying for
Or did you just
financing.
use AI to help you
Doing
study
so
and not know how to play the
facilitates
fucking
the-
guitar? Because you'll get it. This fucking
The enforcement
They're gonna get into this
of
hot
fair
damn mess.
lending laws and identify
They're gonna get into
businesses
me
and
telling them to
community
figure out a chess
development
game
needs.
Unity, get it out
Supporters
here,
of this
because at that point in time,
claim it
why
will
does the chip
excessively
programming
burden
need
smaller
to be 3B1Bs
However, CFPB
version and
Director
me getting
Chopra
into there to program it
recently
any different
testified
than what
that
the limit is going to
approximately
tell me? You don't know how to do
2,000
3B1B stuff. You
will
don't
be
know what the
exempted
lambda is
from
on
the
the wavelength
rules
for it. You're
reporting
not arguing the
requirements.
change in mediums,
Others
NP.
claim their
Nobody
rule
is
is
around
too
here, and it's
intrusive.
absolute garbage.
Yet,
When bees in the
safeguards
colony collapse
like
are bumping into each other for those
voluntary
bottlenecking spots, which I have a
reporting,
video
and you are
about,
going to
isn't that the gold
hear
chip entertainments we're
time and
looking for?
again that this is a mandate.
This chip,
Even
the gap
when I
right
took
here.
the text
Because
in
I
the
have no
markup
clue
and
as to
read it
why I'm programming
to
a
the
web page.
members,
Is
it's
it
voluntary,
that
it's not a
Hultman
mandate.
space?
And
Is this
unique
supposed to be Java?
identifiers
It's all C++.
are
C.
included in
I know
the
it's
rule.
all C, but
Without
here
this
you have all this
information,
fucking garbage on here. You
discriminatory
have no
lending
clue about
will
what you need. Those
continue.
extra pins. Where are they?
When crafting this
Here's this
rule,
IBM.
the CFPB conducted considerable
Well, that
outreach to small firms and considered thousands of public comments
Where's she
from
at? I had an IBM
entrepreneurs.
chip somewhere in here.
During a recent small business
And
committee
we crack it
hearing,
open.
we
The Homeland
received
Security team this
testimony
way
that this rule
is me
will
talking
help
about
the
black holes,
market
galaxies,
better
aliens, and
address
stars,
both
atoms
the
inside
lack
of
of
here.
access
You
to affordable capital
know, your
and the rise
charges.
of irresponsible lending.
This cute
No,
chip
I don't have
is
time.
this, and I need that chip to
It
be able
will
to do this. I
allow
know it can,
lenders
Board Factory. Where the
to
fuck
help
has it been?
tailor their products and services
What does it do?
to meet their
You're going to put a coder program here into a Board Factory. Does do I code program a Board Factory LiDAR?
Government program. So you are for smaller government
No,
spending?
I want to make sure
Right
you map
here.
out what it is.
Let's
My problem
remedy
with the
this
thesis
situation
is the
where we
inevitable
have
cost that will
empirical
come
data
to
that
training me on it.
minority women, small businesses,
No, not minority
female-
members. They're Americans that are not C++. They are
Own
0,
businesses
-1, or +1.
and
Why?
rural businesses
Is there some things you got to
do
understand
not
about
have the
training women
same
and men?
access
True.
to
I mean,
affordable
why wouldn't I
capital.
use
have
issues
been
relative to prostate
13
cancer with the
long
brothers
years.
who's a medium?
We cannot
Is that a
reverse
difference? Absolutely.
course
They are
now.
not
To do
homogenized
so
in that
will
way.
be an
And even
insult
when you do, you
to
still
the
got to have the right
minority-owned
electrons
businesses
going
that
to the
are
right
counting
space.
on our support. I urge my
And so,
colleagues
why
to
don't
vote
you
no
stop with what
on
you're
this
doing, fix it what it
resolution.
is, core it down to what it's supposed to do, and